So you may remember when I downloaded my file from Thingiverse, I mentioned it was in an STL format. For us to be able to print it using our 3D printer here, I have to save it onto a USB and then make it into a different format than that .stl. It needs to be .makerbot. That requires exporting the STL file onto the USB. So that's what I'm going to do next. So I've inserted the USB into the laptop. I have my file here on the screen. I'm going to go up here to Export Print File. When I select Export Print File, it's going to allow me to save it to the USB. And it will let me rename it as well. I'll keep it named Hex Puzzle Pieces. I can see here that it is saving to my USB, so I'm all set to save. So I've got my .makerbot file ready on the USB. I can insert it in here. It will take a second to recognize the USB. And now I'll use this dial to make my selection, which is print. Press down on the dial. And then from USB storage is the option that I want, so I'll press again. And my file that I just saved is within this list. I recognize it by name. So when I select that, it's now ready to print.